Hi, Austin, Senior Tech here with KaiVac. In this video, I want to talk about bleeding the chemical injection system and removing all residual chemical from the lines. This is important to do, especially if you're going to be storing the machine for an extended period of time. This is going to help prevent chemical from kind of gumming up in the injection system, maybe creating some blockages. So again, if you're going to store this unit for an extended period of time, it's always a best practice to remove all residual chemical from the lines. This process is very simple and easy. All you'll need is a cup of hot water. I've got about 20 ounces here. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to do is locate my chemical cap. This is on line A. So if this is connected to a gallon jug, just go ahead and unscrew the cap from the jug. I want to remove the cap from the line. That gets rid of the metering tip and makes this process very fast. So again, I'm going to disconnect the chemical cap from line A. I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm just going to turn the pump on, and I'm also going to turn the chemical selector valve to line A because that is the line I'm working on. So I've got the valve to A. I'm going to turn the pump on. And then I'm going to make sure that my spray gun is in low pressure, and I'm going to spray into the dirty water tank and place chemical line A down into the cup of water. And you'll notice this is very fast. This is going to draw that water in about 10 seconds. And I have drawn all of that water through my line. I'm gonna lift the hose and I'm gonna continue to spray in low. You'll feel suction at the end of line A. What this is doing now is it's gonna remove all moisture, all water from the chemical line, so that if I was to put this machine in a closet where it could get below freezing temperature, I don't have to worry about fittings being damaged due to freezing. So after I've sprayed in low pressure with the hose lifted, for about 10 to 15 seconds, I can let go of the trigger on the spray gun. And I have successfully removed all residual chemical and water from this chemical line on the A side. For dual chemical systems like a 1750 or 2750, you'll want to make sure to repeat that process on the B side. So turn the chemical valve to B, pop the cap off, take line B, put it down into the cup of water, spray in low pressure, draw that water through the line, and then lift the hose and continue to spray for about 10 to 15 seconds, pulling all of that water out of the line. If you guys have any questions about this process, feel free to reach out to our tech support department. And if you have questions about cold weather storage, make sure to watch the separate video that's going to show you how to remove all water from the water tank and how to use windshield wiper fluid to winterize your pump system. Thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.